Namaste. We are back with sixth Siddhi. The sixth Siddhi, we have discussed this in one of the previous videos. Moolan comes from Varanasi, Kashi to Tamil Nadu. There he is relaxing for some time. With the will of Ishvara, he comes to Tamil Nadu, southern part of India. When he was relaxing on the field, he sees dozens of cows and their calf not getting back to their house even after the sunset happens for the day. Taken by shock, he looks around and the owner of the cows, the cowboy, he is sleeping somewhere. When he goes nearer to him, he finds he has been bitten by a poisonous snake and he is no more. Now he doesn't want to disappoint the cows. He enters the body of that cowboy and becomes a cowboy himself. His body lies on the floor. Cowboy gets the life. Looking at the cowboy, all the cows starts moving. In fact, Moolan did not know the cowboy's house. Just because after seeing Moolan, the cows start moving towards their house. Moolan also follows and reaches the house. He stays outside the house. All the cows get into the shed and his wife invites him to come inside. He is not able to explain the reason, but he finds something may go wrong if he enters the house. So he, without entering the house, comes out in search of his body, whereas by that time his body is missing. He searches all over the place in and around. He couldn't find Moolan's body at all. Becomes so tired, goes and starts relaxing under a tree where he gets a voice. After listening to the voice, he knows that it was Shiva. It was the play of Shiva. Shiva guides him. From today, he will become Tirumular. And you have a great job to do in south part of Bharata. That was the reason you have been dragged from Kashi to here. The Moolan becomes Tirumular, who conceived at the rate of one poem per year, 3,000 poems for 3,000 years. He lives in Dhyana. And whatever he was revealed during that 1 year, he sums up everything and brings as a single poem, which is today stands as Tirumandiram. From Tirumular's grace, Tirumular's blessings through Siddha Agastya and Mahavatar Babaji only, we are today practicing Akshara Mala Dhyana. Many of the members who have taken initiation into Akshara Mala Dhyana, the source is not me, not Babaji, but this great Siddha Tirumular comes via Agastya and Babaji. The power vested with the Tirumular was called as Prakamyam, Pprakamya Shakti, or Parikaya Shakti, or Prakamyam Shakti. In different names and different languages, it is called leaving your body, entering another body, living as that person. Adi Shankara Acharya enters the body of King Amaraka in order to gain the experience, so that Adi Shankara was in a position to enter into debate with Madana Mishra's wife Bharati. However, Adi Shankara did not do a mistake, or the divinity did not want Adi Shankara to do a mistake as what was forced to be done by Tirumolar. Adi Shankara entrusts his body to his disciples and tells them, until I come back, guard my body, I will be back. Thus, Adi Shankara's body is well guarded till he returns and enters his body. This Siddhi is a very unique Siddhi, entering into someone's body. Many times within us, such kind of experience happens. I have come across myself several times. These things could happen even without our knowledge. It is not that we should know the power what we are having. Power will remain to be existence. The gravitational power will continue to be in existence whether we are aware of it or not. This way, there are instances where people have told me that I had come and helped them, whereas I do not remember of having helped them. Many times people have come and given me, on such and such date you came and gave me so much money. They returned the money. I do not want to be a part of saying no and creating or putting seed of doubt in their mind. So I used to coolly accept it and use that money for a better cause. One day, long back, I was discussing with my friend. A person came and wished me in Islamic style. I was astonished. I was not in a position to reciprocate his wish because I was not knowing. Then my friend, being a Muslim, he guided me how to reciprocate when someone says Salam Alaikum. Then this person later told me that he met me inside the mosque, which never had happened. He said regularly he used to meet me. So such things continue to happen in and around us. We could be a part of it, or we may be a witness to it. We will meet in the next program tomorrow. Till then, Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.